Hi there, my name is Yevhen. I am a technician from Appliance Service Guys, a local company that serves the Canadian city of Winnipeg. I suggest you right now subscribe to my channel. Let me introduce the Whirlpool dishwasher. Reason for contacting the service: the dishwasher door does not stay in place when opened and falls until it is fully opened. To fix a broken dishwasher door, I will replace the door tensioner system on both sides. The Whirlpool dishwasher door balance system consists of a spring cord with plastic hooks of both sides and simple tension rollers. The springs are attached to the rear bottom of the dishwasher cabinet. A cord with two fasteners is attached to the spring, one to the spring, the other to the dishwasher door. The door is held in place by spring tension. As a rule, nothing happens to the cord and rollers, but the springs can stretch over time and the plastic cord hooks often break, causing the dishwasher door to become unbalanced. I replaced the door balance system and now the dishwasher door can stay ajar in any position. This completes the Whirlpool dishwasher repair. Subscribe. Bye bye. See you soon.